An extraordinary performance, another world record. Did you plan to go out so fast, 59.51 for the first half?
I was planning to go to it with a 60-50, 60-40, but all in all, my legs were running actually very fast. And I thought, let me just try to run 2 hours flat. But all in all, I'm happy with the performance.
By your standards, the second half, you were slowing down a little, not by any other person's standards. Was it tough in the second half?
Actually, it's the start. I think the first half was really very fast. We went too fast, and you need to actually, it takes energy from the muscles.
You've knocked another chunk off your own world record, and it's here in Berlin again. Can you improve still more?
Still more. In my legs are still more, and I hope future still great. Yes.
Those legs of yours and your body still feel young.
Absolutely, yes. My mind is still actually thinking wise, still moving. The body actually still absorbing the trainings and racing.
Wonderful performance, Eliud. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.